Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're diving into the exciting world of sports writing. So whether you're covering your school's big game or aiming to win a competition, I'll show you how to write a winning sports article step by step. So we'll cover everything from crafting the perfect headline to capturing the key moments and even adding that special touch with quotes. So grab your notepad and let's get started. First up, let's talk about the headline. So in sports writing, we use a down style headline. This means we only capitalize the first word and any proper nouns like team names. It's simple and gets straight to the point. Here is a perfect example of the headline. Eagles edge Hawks in dramatic last second win. So again, we are using a down style headline. This means we only capitalize the first word, in this example, E, and any proper nouns like team names. For example, Eagles and Hawks. So it should be simple and straight to the point. Now let's move on to crafting the opening lead. So the opening lead is super important. It's the first thing your readers see, so make it exciting. Here we highlight the most dramatic moment, who won, and how it happened. Let's read the example. In a thrilling finish, the Eagles secured their championship victory with a buzzer beater, narrowly defeating the Hawks 89-87 on Friday night. So again, in the opening lead, we are highlighting the most dramatic moment, who won, and how it happened. Let's move to the next paragraph, which is the game summary. So this is the next part of your sports article. I'm going to read first the example. The game was a fierce contest from the start. The Eagles jumped to an early lead, but the Hawks clawed back in the second half, setting up a nail-biting fourth quarter. Jake Thompson's clutch three-pointer at the buzzer sealed the win for the Eagles. So this is the game summary. This part gives readers a quick overview of what happened, focusing on key moments and how the game unfolded. So it's focus again, the key moments and how the game unfolded. The next part should be the key players and moments. Jake Thompson was the standout performer with 28 points, including the game-winning shot. The Eagles' defense played a crucial role, limiting the Hawks to just 12 points in the final quarter. Michael Carter led the Hawks with 24 points, keeping them in the game until the last second. So now we highlight the key players and moments. This adds depth to your article, showing who made the biggest impact on the game. So that's the key players and moments part of your sports article. Now we move on to the quotes. Quotes add a personal touch. They give readers insight into the emotions and thoughts of the players or coaches, making the article more engaging. For example, "This win is for all our fans," said Thompson. "We fought hard all season and it paid off in the end." Again, quotes add a personal touch. So you should include it in your sports article. The next part is the post-game analysis. We have the post-game analysis, which wraps up the article by reflecting on the game's significance and its impact on the team's future. What is its significance? What is the impact of the game on the team's future? Let's read this example. The victory marked the Eagles' first championship in over a decade, a significant milestone for the team. The dramatic ending ensured this game will be remembered for years to come. All right. Now let's move on to the tips for writing a great sports article. So, firstly, let's use a proper down style headline. Remember to capitalize only the first word and proper nouns. Number two, write a strong lead to hook your readers. Number three, summarize the game clearly, focusing on key moments. Next, highlight standout players and important plays. Number five, include quotes for authenticity as well as emotion. Number six, add context and reflection in your conclusion. So, by following these tips, your sports articles will stand out and truly capture the excitement of the game. So that's it for today's tutorial on sports writing. Remember, a great sports article captures the excitement of the game and tells a story that readers can feel. Use strong leads, clear summaries, and don't forget those personal quotes. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and share it with your friends. So if you have any questions or tips of your own, drop them in the comments below. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.